Video will focus on Beaver Builder and WordPress 5.0 with Gutenberg built into the core. If you're wanting to get back to the way things were before the update and just use Beaver Builder as per usual, there is one thing that you need to do, and that is to install and activate the Classic Editor plugin. Once you do that, then you'll have your access back to Beaver Builder. So if we just activate this plugin over here, activate that, and then give it a refresh, then we're back. We've got the Beaver Builder option ready to go. So that's it for this video. Let us know if you have any more questions on Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, WordPress 5.0. Hit us up on the Facebook channel or through our website, wordpressmelbourne.com.